The price of walnut oil extraction equipment is influenced by its design and efficiency. Modern cold press machines, for example, are more expensive due to their ability to preserve the natural nutrients in walnuts during the oil extraction process. These devices typically offer better quality oil with minimal heat generation, which is crucial for maintaining the health benefits associated with walnut oil. On the other hand, another factor affecting cost is automation level. Semi-automatic machines tend to be less costly compared to fully automated ones that require minimal human intervention. For businesses aiming for high productivity and lower labor costs. Additionally, regional differences play a role in determining prices. Manufacturers located in different parts of the world may offer varying rates based on local production costs. Taxes. In conclusion,